Hello everyone. In this video, we will know about different ocular manifestations of COVID-19 disease. COVID-19 has become a global pandemic caused by highly transmissible SARS coronavirus 2. Conjunctivitis is the most common ophthalmic manifestation documented in COVID-19 patients. Its symptoms are redness, foreign body sensation, and watering in the eye without blurring of vision. On slit lamp examination, conjunctival congestion and follicles in the inferior palpebral conjunctiva are seen. There has been case reports of other anterior segment diseases in COVID-19 patients like viral keratoconjunctivitis, hemorrhagic conjunctivitis with pseudomembrane, and episcleritis. Retinal vascular occlusion is one of the many vascular manifestations of COVID-19 patients. These patients present with sudden painless diminution of vision. COVID-19 patients are in the procoagulant state, which is evident by raised D-dimer, prothrombin time, activated partial thromboplastin time, fibrinogen, and cytokines. Intermittent hypoxia induces the endothelial cells to release tissue factors and triggers the extrinsic coagulation pathway. So, retinal vascular occlusion can happen in COVID-19 patients even in the absence of systemic conditions like diabetes, hypertension, or dyslipidemia. So, in patients with systemic comorbidities and severe COVID-19 infection, early anticoagulant prophylaxis should be considered. Patients may have branch retinal vein obstruction or central retinal vein obstruction. Fundus examination shows presence of dilated tortuous vein, retinal hemorrhages, optic disc edema, and macular edema. Other posterior segment diseases associated with COVID-19 infection are central retinal artery obstruction, acute macular neuroretinopathy. In humans, neurological manifestations have been documented in almost 36% of COVID-19 cases. Neurotropism of the virus has been proposed as one of the mechanisms for neurological and neuro-ophthalmic manifestation. Papillophlebitis patient complain of painless diminution of vision. Fundus examination shows dilated tortuous retinal vessels, disc edema, superficial retinal hemorrhages, and cotton wool spots. Optic neuritis patients present with complaint of painful vision loss. There is presence of relative afferent pupillary defect and fundus examination shows disc edema. Miller-Fisher syndrome and cases of cranial nerve palsies have also been reported in COVID-19 patients. Sixth cranial nerve is most commonly involved, followed by third cranial nerve. Acute vision loss following cerebrovascular accident can also result from procoagulant state in COVID-19 infection. Pre-existing endothelial dysfunctions like diabetes and SLE may make patients more susceptible. In these patients, urgent MRI of brain should be done. There has been a case report of dacryoadenitis with presenting complaints of eyelid swelling and lacrimal gland mass. Mucormycosis or black fungus. This is a life-threatening opportunistic fungal infection with 50% mortality rate. Most common clinical presentation is rhinoorbital cerebral infection. Patients with COVID-19 are more vulnerable to fungal infection because of the compromised immune system, decompensated pulmonary function, use of immunosuppressive therapy for the management in moderate to severe disease, and associated comorbidity like uncontrolled diabetes. Symptoms of orbital mucormycosis are development of unilateral facial or orbital pain, headache, periocular swelling, or double vision. Signs of disease are periocular edema, complete ptosis, proptosis, restricted eye movement, conjunctival congestion, and chemosis. MRI is useful to determine the extent of the disease and intracranial extension. Clinical suspicion, early treatment with multidisciplinary approach and surgical debridement are key to prevent morbidity in this often fatal condition. MGM Eye Institute, Raipur wishes you all good health and happiness. Stay safe.